Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform a KSP, or a knit slip pass. To get started, we knit the first stitch. Then we slip the next stitch, knitwise. So just slip it as if to knit. Then transfer those two stitches back to the left needle, making sure to not twist those stitches. Next, you will pick up the stitch that you slipped, which is the second stitch on your needle, and pull that over the knit stitch and off the left needle. Finally, slip your knit stitch, your first stitch on your needle, purlwise onto the right needle. So this is a decrease stitch. I'll go ahead and knit one and show that once more. So we knit the first stitch. Then we slip one knitwise. Next, transfer both stitches back to the left needle. Pass the second stitch, your slip stitch, over the first stitch and off the needle. Finally, slip your first stitch, which is the stitch that you knit, purlwise back to the needle. And I'll just knit my last stitch. Congratulations! You now know how to perform a KSP. If you have any questions, go ahead and go back, replay this video at a slower speed. If you still have questions, please leave those in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you liked the tutorial, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, hitting the notification bell if you're interested in notifications. I hope to see you around. Happy knitting!